Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford vehicle, any Ford vehicle guys, and you have the following code P0010, stay with us guys. We'll explain what needs to be done to fix that code, how we'll diagnose the system, what we'll be using to diagnose the system. We'll explain all that. So we'll be demonstrating on a Ford Focus, but even if you have any Ford guys, pretty much you'll work on any Ford, it should help you solve that problem guys. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every car we get at the shop guys, we're making at least 200 videos on it, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's go ahead and start on the problem now. So this is it, Ford Focus here, but as I said, it will work on so many vehicles. Now, what we'll do guys, okay, the scanner that we'll be using right here, you can find a link in the description of the video below. The parts that we'll be using to fix that problem, you can find the links again, and you can see where you can get for your vehicle. That way you can find them for a good price too guys. Now I'm going to go inside. Usually under your steering wheel somewhere on your Ford vehicle you'll find a cover that says OBD, or right under there somewhere you may have OBD connector. It really depends. Sometimes it's under a cover, sometimes it's right under that plastic, so you might need to go like that underneath to find it. So okay, you can see it's connected. Now I'm going to go inside guys, and I'll show you okay how the engine light is on. We'll explain what are the symptoms when you have that code, what you can experience, and how to fix it. I'm going to go ahead, start that car quick and show you, okay, demonstrate how the engine light just stays on guys. Okay, check it out. It is just on. No matter what, that engine light is on guys. I'll rev it up, still the same. So when you guys have that code P0010, what could happen guys, that code actually indicates a problem with the variable timing solenoid, one of the solenoids. You usually have two on modern vehicles, and you can experience rough idle, loss of power, engine performance decreased, and increased fuel consumption. Any of those or all of those guys, it really depends on how it fails and all that stuff. So I'll turn the car off, turn the ignition on only. Now right here guys, we're going to select OBD. We'll go there. It's communicating now. And it's connecting. It says codes found 1. Ignition type spark. Now we're going to enter the car computer. You have two different sections, two different modules. You can check the codes for each one of those, so double check all of them. Ours, usually the code is stored under the second one, but it really depends. For your specific vehicle, maybe the first one. Now we can click read codes, erase, live data, view freeze frame, and all that stuff. Freeze frame is really good because you can see when the problem occurred, so that's something super cool about it, because it will tell you at what speed, what RPMs, and all that stuff. So you can check the thermostat temperature, coolant temperature, so many things guys. I just want to show you quick so you know what to expect here. Okay, you can see this is the code P0010, and it happened at 70 degrees Celsius temperature on the coolant. It tells you RPMs, 804 RPMs, and all that stuff guys, so you can check all that data, which is very important by the way. Now I'll go back and we're going to click read codes. Okay, we click stored codes and check out what we have. P0010, a camshaft position actuator circuit bank 1. So let's explain what is causing now that. So we're out of the car now, and we have the hood open. We have a 4-cylinder engine. You may have 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder, 6 or 8-cylinder guys, and we'll explain okay what you need to do. But for 3 and 4-cylinder it's pretty simple. So if you have 3 and 4-cylinder engine guys, you will actually have 1-cylinder head, so problem will be super simple to solve. If you have V6 or V8 guys, okay, you will have 2-cylinder heads. So that makes things a little bit more complicated, because you have instead of 2 variable timing solenoids, okay, you will have 4 of them, because each head will have 2. Those are your variable timing solenoids, camshaft position solenoids. Now our set solenoid A, sensor A, solenoid A. So A now guys indicates it's on the intake side. On that 4-cylinder engine, the 2.0, intake is on the front side of the engine. Intake is where the engine gets its air from the air filter box. Go to the throttle body, here it's air intake manifold, air enters the engine, and the fumes, okay, exits through the exhaust. The exhaust is solenoid, camshaft solenoid B. A stands for intake. If you have the 3-cylinder engine on a Ford Focus, it will actually be reversed. I think your exhaust will be on this side, intake will be on the other side. So always double check that. And this is your camshaft position solenoid right here. This one is responsible for the timing on the intake camshaft. This is for the exhaust camshaft. Now, we have a video, guys, how to fix it from start to finish, and you can find in the description of the video where you can get the parts for your specific vehicle. Check it out, guys, and see where we got our parts from. But what you need to do on most Fords, you need to remove ignition coils, you need to remove the valve cover, disconnect your wiring harness, okay, and when you do all that, guys, you'll be able to get to the solenoid. The video is on the channel. You replace it, and at that point, guys, put it together, and that should fix the problem. What we will do, we'll fix it quick. We're going to restart the car and see if that fixes our problem. So the solenoid has been replaced. I'm going inside now. We took care of that. I recommend, guys, actually to go ahead and actually reconnect your computer one more time. That way you can establish secure communication. And we already have ours connected. I'm just going to select erase codes. Okay, here, click, ask to confirm, erase, done. I'll go ahead, start the car quick, give it gas, and everything seems fine, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.